Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to review the fundamentals behind the sweep tool. Later on, we'll practice creating sweeps and we'll explore the tool in greater detail. Here's my new part document. Let's begin by inserting a sketch on the top plane. Now let's activate the line tool. We're going to place a line about here. Now a tangent arc. And another line. Right-click and select to close the tool. Notice the tangency symbols here. If you don't have tangency between the lines and the arc, or if your arc radius is too small, SOLIDWORKS may not be able to calculate the sweep. We're ready to exit the sketch. Now let's insert a plane. Reference geometry, plane. Select our line. And this point. Let's accept. Let's insert a sketch on plane 1. Right-click, insert sketch. Take a normal 2 view. And I'm going to drop in a circle about here. Notice that when I mouse over in this area, there's no point highlighted by the line. Let's see why. Let's rotate our view a bit. And now I'm able to select the point. Let me show you one more detail about the normal 2 view. Let's return to normal 2. When I click normal 2 again, the sketch rotates 180 degrees. Now I'm able to select the point. And when I rotate the sketch a bit, you can see that the sketch actually did rotate 180 degrees along the y-axis. Let's drop my circle here. And let's exit the sketch. Now activate the swept boss base command. First thing to do is select the profile, which is pre-selected for us. Now we select a path. And here is our preview. If you don't see the preview, it means that SOLIDWORKS can't calculate the sweep. There's a few workarounds that you can try. One would be to decrease the diameter of the circle. You could also increase the radius of the arc. Or maybe you're missing tangency between one of the arcs and the lines. Let's accept our sweep, and let's hide plane 1. Now let's right-click on Sweep 1 and Edit. Under Options, we've got a number of choices for orientation and twist type. Let's try Keep Normal Constant. And as you can see, the shape of the sweep changes. What happens is that the profile of the sweep is parallel to the original profile at any given point. Let's accept Sweep 1 as is. And now let's right-click on Sweep 1 and select Delete. Confirm, yes. Let's activate the Swept Boss Base command again. Now we need to select our profile, the circle, and then the path. Here's the Thin Feature option. Let's check it to activate it. It works just like it does in the extruded boss environment. Let's try a 1 mm thickness. And accept. And here we've created a pipe. And this concludes our lesson about the basic sweep.